Today I'm going to talk about the 5 personal reasons I love cloud computing. Just in case you're on the fence and need encouragement, let's get started. Hey VFC fam, it's your boy Joshua Tech Dev Walker, your Venti Fried Chicken author and global cloud slinger. As a lot of you know, I've been in cloud computing better part of a decade after transitioning from the field of entertainment, if believe it or not. So today I want to give you my personal, real human reasons I love cloud computing still to this day, with hopes that if you haven't started that you will get started today in cloud. With all of the tech layoffs, I know it's been a little discouraging, but I think there's still a ton of opportunity. Actually, I know there is. But so I don't sound like a cringy recruiter, here are the 5 reasons I still love cloud computing, as now a senior solutions architect that worked his way up the ranks. For starters, I love the autonomy. A lot of people don't realize I've been remote a year before the pandemic even happened, and I've been remote ever since. This itself has freed up significant amount of time for family, friends, travel, hobbies, as well as helped me contribute to my house, which is my ecosystem. That laundry not gonna do itself. Another reason I love cloud computing is all of the great people I've gotten to work with. Not only have I been able to work with skilled cloud engineers from all over the place from different various backgrounds, but I've worked with a lot of amazing traditional devs as well, some of the best business minds you can imagine, as well as so many industry experts. And this is super important in a technician's life because all these varied experiences make you just valuable wherever you go. And cloud IT infrastructure is pretty much applicable to anything, as far as a scalable business goes. The next reason I love cloud computing is because I never get bored. I've worked on all types of various crazy implementations, traditional cloud migrations, serverless re-architectures, custom software development projects, data lakes. I've also gotten to work in a lot of different industries. My primary is life sciences, but I've also worked in banking, government, and even the utility space, which has a lot of cool IoT opportunities. The next reason I love cloud computing is really applicable to you guys. Although you need to be very skilled, the barrier to entry sometimes is a lot lower than other fields, in my opinion, of course. But the reason I say that is because it's a very certification-based field. So we at least have kind of a baseline, whereas if you were a software engineer, there's not like a Python certification, or if there is, maybe that type of Python development isn't really accepted widely. But more importantly, doing what I did, like pairing the certification with some real world experience as far as even POCs that you built yourself at home can go a long way. And the last reason I love cloud computing is because of the impact it has on people. The personal impact it's had on me financially, experience-wise, is unprecedented. But then myself working in a field like life sciences, you see how just being able to scale a cloud solution can help serve more patients and help save lives. Hopefully if you're on the fence, this really helped you. I encourage you to check out the other content on this channel. Support Venti Fried Chicken, the book, on Amazon and Goodreads. Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next.